Hello everyone, here is today's problem. Suppose a plus c times a plus b plus c less than 0. We are asked to show that b minus c squared greater 4a times a plus b plus c. From the expression a plus c times a plus b plus c less than 0, we may see that this is a function a. And therefore, we may let fx to be x plus c, x plus b plus c. Now we know that the roots of fx equals 0 are x equals negative c and x equals negative b minus c. And since the coefficient of x squared is positive, so meaning that fx is a convex function. We do not know if negative c or negative b minus c is bigger, but we know that one of it must be alpha and the other one must be beta, where alpha, beta are negative c, negative b minus c. Now, note that in this case, f of a is negative. If f of a is negative, meaning that a must be in between alpha and beta. So a must be in between negative c and negative b minus c. So this is the information that we can get from the condition. We wish to show that b minus c squared is greater than 4a, a plus b plus c. And now we look at the quadratic in a again. And from this, we let gx to be x, x plus b plus c. Again, the graph of gx to be something like this. And it is symmetry at x equals negative b minus c over 2. For any interval, negative c minus b minus c, this is for b negative, or negative b minus c. This is for b positive. For any of these interval, we know that fa must be less than the maximum, ga must less than the maximum of g minus c, g minus b minus c. So this means that for any interval, the maximum will be always at the endpoints. If a in any interval, the value of g at a must be less than the value of the endpoints. So let's calculate g negative c. G negative c will be negative c and negative c plus b plus c. That is negative bc. And g of negative b minus c is negative b minus c times negative c minus c plus b plus c, that is 0. So GA must be less than maximum of negative BC or 0. There are two cases to be considered. Suppose the maximum of this equals to negative BC, 4 of GA be less than 4 of negative BC. And this is b minus c squared minus b plus c squared. And therefore this is less than or equals b minus c squared. Suppose the maximum of negative bc and 0 is 0. So 4 of ga will be less than 0, which is obviously less than or equals to b minus c squared. So for both cases, 4ga is less than b minus c squared, and 4ga is 4a, a plus b plus c, less than b minus c squared. And this is the inequality that we wish to prove. And we are done here. That's all for today's lesson. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.